What is Zimbabwe famous for? Zimbabwe is most famous for Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is one of the world's 7 natural wonders. Now, we might be biased here, but the falls are really best viewed from the Zimbabwe side. Zimbabwe is also famous for having the world's largest natural man-made lake, Lake Kariba. It is also home to the great 5 wild animals: the lion, the buffalo, the hippopotamus, the elephant, and the leopard. Zimbabwe is also home to Great Zimbabwe. Great Zimbabwe was a global trading hub that controlled much of the East African coast from the 11th right through to the 15th centuries AD. The oldest dinosaur in Africa was also recently discovered in Zimbabwe. The Mbirisaurus rati is believed to be more than 230 million years old. So you see, Zimbabwe is not just a little bit famous. It is a treasure trove of discovery, wonder, and fascinating history that remains hidden and awaiting intrepid explorers just like you. Do you want to learn more about Zimbabwe? Just search for Sarura Kids on YouTube today.